Hello, this is Oleg with OpenBOM. In this quick video, I want to show you a very useful technique how to reorganize your catalogs in OpenBOM. So the question that we're getting very often is how can I move item from one catalog to another catalog? So the technique is very simple. So I have a catalog that I would like to move items. I can use export import function to bring any item from this catalog to any other catalog. So how to do it? Let's say I have a catalog and I have this Granger item that I would like to move to another catalog. So let's take this part number and let's put a filter. First we need to create an export. I want to create an export Excel with this single record of this Granger item. So I can put a filter with the part number. I filter this list, so now I have a catalog with one item. The next thing that I do, I export it. So I export all information that I want because I want to move everything to another catalog. So I export this. So now let's go to dashboard and let's say I want to import it in a new catalog. So I can just create new catalog. So I can, for example, call it temp items. Okay. I have a new catalog. I don't need to do anything. I just need to do an import function. Select the catalog that I just Excel file that was just created from the export. Open it, import. It will get the alert that information will be merged. You append, you get this item here. So in this way, you can reorganize any catalogs with any other catalogs, move item and bring them to the right places you want. So that was all with OpenBOM and a very useful technique how to reorganize catalogs, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye bye.